We asked our sales experts for their top tips when selling over the phone. And here's what they said. Prepare for your call. Have a plan for handling objections. Use the person's name frequently, making it more personal. Be relaxed and conversational. Even if you are using one, try not to come across as scripted. Try standing up. Your body language counts even when the other person can't see you. If you would like to upgrade your sales skills with a sales qualification, get in touch with the qualification team.